It is imperative to educate children on road safety as they are not only vulnerable road users but also future drivers and pedestrians of our nation.
आपको सड़क पे किस चीज से सुरक्षा की जरूरत है?
Introducing Envalior presents Street Smarties in association with ETAuto, a dedicated road safety awareness campaign. Join us as we travel across cities, educating children on essential road safety practices. Let's work together to build a safer future for our streets, one child at a time. Every step we take today brings us closer to a safer tomorrow.